Good morning. Here you can see the topic God particle. God particle, actually the name of the particle is Higgs Boson, and that particle is also called God particle because that time scientists thought that discovery of the Higgs boson is so important that it can explain everything. Explain everything means it can explain origin of mass, it can explain the structure of the universe, it can explain the Big Bang theory, means it can explain everything. Which one? The particle, Higgs boson. Yes, Higgs boson can predict everything. That time, scientists or the physicists thought that way because it was a fundamental question about how the mass was originated. Okay, how the mass of particles were originated. So those and how the fundamental forces were originated. So answers to such questions was Higgs boson, and that's why the scientists thought that they have become able to know each and everything about the universe, and that's why they named the particle, means Higgs boson, that particle, as God particle. Okay, so that is the reason behind this. Okay, so I have given the name of the title as God particle. Actually, it is Higgs boson. But at present, the scientific community, this name God particle is not so popular. Earlier it was popular, but at present it is not so popular. That means there are many problems associated with this discovery. Theoretically, it was discovered by Peter Higgs and others, means other scientists, in 1960s. Okay, by Peter Higgs, theoretically. Okay, and that's why the name of the particle was Higgs boson, theoretically. But later, in 2012, July 2012, it was confirmed by experimentally by Leon Lederman. Leon Lederman, he confirmed practically, means experimentally, okay, the discovery of the particle, which was theoretically discovered in 1960s by Peter Higgs. Okay, where it was discovered? It was discovered by Large Hadron Collider, that giant machine, Large Hadron Collider at CERN. CERN is where? It is Geneva, Switzerland, by Atlas and CMS collaborations. Means experiments were conducted by Atlas and CMS collaborations. Okay, and the name of the scientist or the name of the physicist by which the particle was discovered is Leon Lederman, and the year was 2012, month was July. So here I have noted down 7 key points. Okay, and these points I am going to discuss one by one. So first is discovery. I have already told you about the discovery of the particle. Theoretical discovery in 1960s and experimental discovery in 2012. Next comes importance. Importance, I have already mentioned the importance. Importance is because this Higgs boson or the God particle is able to explain the origin of mass, the structure of the universe, the fundamental forces, so many things it is able to explain. So that is the importance of the Higgs boson particle. Okay, field and boson. Higgs boson or Higgs field permeates all of space. Okay, and when particles interact with the Higgs field, they gain mass, they acquire mass that way. Okay, and So they acquire mass that way. So that is called field, and that is the third part, that is field. Higgs field. Field means here Higgs field. Okay. And Higgs boson, this is the excited condition of the particle. Okay. Excited condition. And next comes properties. Point number 4 is properties. Higgs boson, this has zero spin, and electric charge, electrically it is neutral, and it is also very unstable. It quickly decays into other products. Okay, so that is the properties. Okay, mass is almost, it is 125 giga electron volts. The mass of a Higgs boson particle is almost 125 giga electron volts, and it is almost 133 times the mass of a proton particle. Proton, you know the name of proton. Okay, so 133 times that of a proton. So that is all about the mass of the Higgs boson particle. Next comes discovery process. How it was discovered, means how Higgs boson, that particle was discovered. That particle was discovered by Large Hadron Collider by energizing protons, means smashing of protons. Okay, by making smashing of protons together, the Higgs boson particles were discovered or created. Okay. That experiment was done, and result of the experiment is the discovery of this particle. So if you were asked about the process, discovery process of the particle, your answer should be, it is smashing of the protons together. Okay. By what? By particle accelerator such as Large Hadron Collider. Okay. Actually it was used to discover this particle practically or experimentally. Okay, so that is discovery process. Next comes standard model. Yes, you have already heard the name of this standard model in the field of particle physics. This is a model to explain all the fundamental particles. Okay, and so the discovery of Higgs boson or the God particle was very crucial. Means it played a crucial role in the standard model. Okay, it's very important because it is able to explain many things. Okay, but not all the things. Many things, but not all the things. If it is really able to explain everything, each and everything, then only it can be called as, or it can be termed as God particle, otherwise not. And that is the reason that at present many scientists are there who are not willing to say this particle as God particle. Okay, because it is not able to explain everything. Okay. And last point is role in the universe. Yes, role in the universe, it has a great role to explain many universal phenomena, such as after the Big Bang, what happened? That thing can be explained by the theory of this Higgs boson particle. Okay. Then how the mass of the universe were originated. Okay. So those things can be explained by the use of this particle, Higgs boson particle. Okay. And you know that in the study of cosmology, the main target is to get a theory which can explain the origin of the universe, the structure of the universe, the evolution of the universe, etc. And initially, scientists thought that Higgs boson can do everything. But at present we know that no, it is not possible to explain each and everything by the help of Higgs boson. And that's why scientists are against saying this particle as God particle. So that is the reason. Anyway, I have given the title as God particle. So God particle is what? It is nothing but Higgs boson. Right? So I think, okay, later I will discuss about this point, this field and motion, the point number 3. So for point number 3, I'll make another video. Okay, field and motion. Anyway, so I think this should be the end of this lecture. Okay, thank you for watching this video.